Hi, I'm Scott Markwood, Training Coordinator here at Hayfel America Company.
And I'm Daniel Tripp, Product Manager for all things kitchen related here at Hayfel America.
And we're in the Learning Center today, and we're about to install an interesting upper cabinet Lazy Susan called Twister. Now, there's a couple twists to this, so you want to make sure you have your mounting instructions handy as well as this template.
Let's get started.
First, we'll locate and mark the center of the cabinet opening at both the top and the bottom. We then transfer that mark further into the cabinet so that we'll be able to position the template properly. To make things easier, we recommend attaching the template to the cabinet with a piece of tape. That keeps it from moving around. Next, we'll mark the location for the dowel holes, both top and bottom. Now we'll use an 8mm drill bit to drill the 3 holes in both the top and the bottom of the cabinet. As you can see, we made a high-tech gauge for our drilling depth with some masking tape. Gently tap each bracket in place, making sure it's firmly seated. Just be careful not to damage it with your hammer. This is the bottom bracket. And here we're installing the top bracket. Next, we'll attach the shelf fixing bracket using the machine screws and hex wrench that are included with the unit. At this point, we want to keep the bracket loose. We'll tighten it once we've installed the post. Now we are ready to install the trays onto the post. We'll tighten the bottom tray in place and leave the upper tray loose for now. Install the top portion of the post and adjust the height based on the simple formula found in the mounting instructions. Once we have this set to the proper height, we'll tighten the screw in the top of the post. This can only be done with the unit out of the cabinet. Now we'll fit the unit into the opening. You'll notice that we had to tip it sideways to get it in place. When installing the unit on the bottom bracket, make sure the post is at either 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock to allow it to properly engage at the bottom. Next, insert the post into the top bracket and snap the bracket shut. Lift the upper tray to the appropriate height and tighten the 2 fixing screws with the hex wrench. Verify that the detent is stopping the trays where desired, and you're done. One Twister Lazy Susan, installed and ready to go. We hope you found this Hayfel video helpful. Good luck with your installation, and thanks for watching.